Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a Firefox user, it doesn't happen very often, but we have an update for a critical security flaw. So if you are in Firefox, you moved on to 118, we're not 118.0.1, you go to the upper right corner in the hamburger menu, go into Help, and About Firefox, and this will update your Firefox version to 118.0.1. Now, this security flaw is shared with all browsers, meaning that every browser needs to have an update, by the way, and Edge and Brave and so on. Now, we know that Firefox is a different type of browser. It's not Chromium-based, but it has some technologies that are used that are shared. And in this case, it has to do with the famous video library for that is actually a high severity flaw that was in Google Chrome as a 0-day exploded in the wild. Well, the same actually is a problem. What's interesting is that here, Firefox, so we know that Chrome put it in the high severity, Firefox puts it in the critical security flaws. So, of course, it's that heap buffer overflow and libvpx or libvpx, which is a video type library for streaming. So that means that it is executed, of course, already used in the wild with, of course, anything that is a video stream that could be malformed. And it's very important, of course, to fix that because you might get into a website that has malformed video streaming and get infected on your device. It's for everything, every device, including Android. They say here, even Android. So for Firefox for Android. So do update your browser. It's very important. It's your gateway to the internet. It's the first line of defense. Updating the browser is very important. Doesn't happen often, but a shared update here because of the streaming video library that is also in Firefox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.